Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Tip, Tricks and Tech. Today I'm going to show you an solar from Tesla. And also I'm gonna explain, or I'm gonna share my experience with them. It's been 3 years since I installed my solar panel. So if you look at, I'm in my backyard. If you look at my roof, I have about 9 panel. No, actually it's 12 panel here. And I have more panel in the back, which I'm going to show in a second. Let me show you the panels on the side. So I have panels in my back side, 14 panels here, 12 panels on back. So I have about 26 panels total. My total kilowatt per hour is 8.5 kilowatt hours, but actually I get about 10,000 watt on AC on every year. So which is so good because I have about solar point. I think if you look at the Zillow, if you look at your home, if you put your address, it can tell you what your solar score is. Mine is 71, I think. So actually I produce more than what the panels actually put it for, which is really good thing. So I'm going to show you what I'm gonna tell you is I'm gonna show you my production for last 2 years. For that I'm gonna use my app and I'm gonna show you. Okay, so let's open my Tesla app. So I opened it. So I have 2 Tesla vehicle and also I have the solar. If you look at it, so I'm producing about 7.4 kilowatt and it's going 5.5 going to the grid, and I'm only using 0.6. And if you look at my energy usage, this is today. And if you look at the year 2021 so far is 1500 kilowatt I producing. So last year, if you look at it, I produced about 9,800 kilowatt. If you look at 2019, I produced about 10,210 kilowatt. So my capacity is 8.5 kilowatt panels, but I'm producing actually more than the panels set for, which is really good thing. So, and if you look at it, so I'm going 0 emission cars, and also I'm going full renewable. So I'm charging from sun to my car, so I'm not paying anything literally to drive this car. So another thing, if you want to save $100 when you install, use my referral link, which I will put it in description, so you can click that link and you can always just order from there. If you order it, you will get $100 towards your order. So to order it, it's just pretty simple. You can just use this link and click it, and you're gonna put your house address, and then it's gonna just ask you a little detail about it, you know, how many kilowatt you use or what's your monthly bill and things like that. And it's just pretty easy, and it will cost you about $1.49 after the federal incentive. So federal incentive is about 26%. So after incentive, you will get per kilowatt. I'm talking about DC kilowatt, $1.49. So if you're looking at let's say it's 10 kilowatt panel, you'll be looking at about $15,000 after the federal credit, which is not bad at all. And if you're in New Jersey, you have something called the T-REC, which will get you $90 per kilowatt too. So thank you guys for watching this video. If you like the video, definitely share with your friends, and if your friends are thinking about going solar, tell them about this video and then share my link to them, so it will be benefit for them. They can save $100 on a new Tesla order on a Tesla panels. And if you want to order a car, feel free to use my link too. They can get 1,000 miles free supercharging on that link too. So that link is definitely helpful for you. Share it with your friends and family. And if you are thinking to order one of any of the Tesla product, which is, you know, the awesome product, you can look at it. I have 2 Tesla cars and I have Tesla panels, So definitely it's worth it. I'm telling you from my experience. I had the solar panel for the first. That's what I installed first 3 years ago. Then I had my Model X. Then I bought a Model Y. Model X on 2018 and Model Y on 2020 last year. So I'm thinking to get a Cybertruck when it comes out. So I'm totally solar. I'm so happy with them, and they have a good. There's a price. Nobody can beat that price. Not like other installers. When I was looking for solar, when I was thinking going solar, I went about like 6, 7 solar company, and then finally I ended up with Tesla because Tesla gave me the best product they have. And also, you think I told you, I just showed you, I only install 8.5 kilowatt, but I'm producing 10,000 watts, which is more. So think about it. They have good solar panels. Also, the price, nobody could beat that price. Think about it, $1.49 per kilowatt hour. Nobody would be able to beat that price, and it's straightforward. There's no bargaining or anything like that. It's a straight price. So it's definitely worth it. And if you have any question, please put that question below in my comment, and I will definitely answer it as soon as possible. And like I said, feel free to use my code. And if you haven't subscribed my channel, please consider subscribing, because I'll be coming up with so many new videos about lifestyle video, about the car video, about Tesla cars, about Tesla panels, about solars, everything. So please consider subscribing, and don't forget, please use my link for your Tesla needs. All right, till then, it's me signing off. So I'm gonna be coming with another beautiful video soon. Till then, it's me, Aldo, signing off. Bye bye.